glossary words. That is, first is weird means strange. Storm means rushed in very fast. Errands, a short journey to get something for somebody. Furious means very angry. Babbled, to talk quickly or in a way that it is difficult to understand. Wisdom means experience and knowledge. Banish means send somebody out of the country as a punishment. Persuade means convince. Feign means pretend. Children, will do the question answers even. I am giving you all the question answers here and I will also explain all this. First, write down the question answers. Students, the first main A, reorder as per the right sequence. I don't think you will be having any problem, any doubt. So we'll start with the question number B. Fill in the blanks. Nagendra's brilliant idea was to set up a shop, isn't it? Then second one, he sold wisdom. Third one, wisdom was bought by dash quality. Bapu's father was angry with him because he had paid a nickel. And Nagendra reacted to the fury of Gupta by asking him to return the wisdom. He returned the money after making Gupta sign dash and a document and which stated that his son would never use his advice and that he would stand and watch people fighting. Seventh one, Babu got into a problem for the second time when dash he was the quarrel between the two mates. The dispute between the two mates was over a pumpkin. So second one is over. Now answer the following. Why did Nagendra open a shop? Because he was an orphan and had no job, and he was clever and he had learned many things by observing his father. He decided to open a shop and sell wisdom. We have to write all these answers in 2 to 3 sentences only. Why is the merchant's son called a stupid boy? Because Babu, a merchant's son, was a stupid boy because he had the wisdom seller and did not know what was really being sold. He thought wisdom was some kind of a vegetable or a thing he could hold in his hand. Third answer, Babu put down a nickel and asked Nagendra to give him a nickel's worth of wisdom. Nagendra sold the wisdom. It is not wise to stand and watch two people fighting for a nickel. Fourth question, why was Babu's father angry? Babu's father was angry because he had paid a nickel for a worthless piece of wisdom. He scolded his son for wasting money on a useless thing. How did Nagendra make Gupta realize the value of wisdom? Nagendra made him sign a document which said that his son would not make use of the wisdom. When Gupta and Babu came again for his advice, he made Gupta pay 1,000 rupees. Children, I am telling all this quickly so that the video will not become very long. Why did the two mates quarrel? Because the two mates went to the same shop and both of them wanted to buy the same pumpkin. There was only one pumpkin, so they started quarreling. So like this, all the answers I had already given. Watch out, children. Students, let's discuss the fourth main A and B because you might get doubt in this too. His dash but honor. So brilliantly or brilliance. See here, brilliantly is an adverb. So here the abstract noun, that is brilliance, should be used. His brilliance brought honor. Dash people solve problems? Wise. Because wisdom is a noun, wise is the correct form. Dash he was clever, he was without a job, though he was clever. There was no dash of sympathy from the people when they heard of the cruel murder, that is dearth. That dearth means scarcity. Okay, the dash of funds made them abandon the project. Pursuit or pause, that is positive. Positive means insufficiency. Now second one, since or for. See children, since should be used at the it tells the moment of time when an action starts, and for tells the complete duration of an action. So let's see, the film has been on at the theaters dash July. Dash July means it shows the starting point, so it should be since. Second is, she has been on holiday dash the last 3 weeks. 3 weeks means the duration is showing duration of action, so it is for the last 3 weeks. She hasn't been here dash a month. Month is again a duration of time, so it expresses a duration, a long time, so it is for. No one has lived here dash 1989. That means the start of the beginning of the action. So it is since 1989. It is the first time I have been here dash the accident. Again here it shows when the action began. So it is since the accident. So over children, hope you understand. Write down all the question answers.